Are you planning a medical treatment in India? Anxious about traveling to an unknown country? Not sure how to find the best hospital and treatment at lowest price? What you need is a reliable medical partner. And for that, Medex is here, your one-stop solution for all medical assistance. Hi, my name is Prasoon Singh and I am a relationship manager at Medex Health Assistance. Medex Health Assistance is a medical tourism company in India providing end-to-end solution for medical travelers. We are headquartered in Delhi NCR, but we have hospitals from all across India in our panel. We have tied up with more than 200 hospitals in India, which have more than 1500 doctors, catering to more than 2000 types of health problems. It is an established fact that India is a preferred medical travel destination for many countries of the world. People from more than 96 countries travel to India for their high-end medical needs. There are some key reasons why India is their top preference. First, cost of treatment is lower than any other medical destination of the world. Second, all types of high-end treatments and modern equipment are available in India. Third, India has some of the best doctors and hospitals in the world. And at last, facilities such as ease of traveling, accommodation, language and food. When you enroll with Medex for your treatment in India, we assign you a dedicated relationship manager. Your relationship manager becomes your single point of contact for all your queries and requirements. With your permission, your relationship manager will share your medical reports with at least 5 hospitals. He will share a summary of proposed treatment from these hospitals with you. You can then decide which hospital or doctor is best suited for you based on your preference and budget. Your relationship manager will help you find the best treatment for your medical condition. Moving to the next step, as a patient, you may also want your family to apply for a visa and book travel tickets for India. It may prove to be a cumbersome process if not guided properly. Your relationship manager will assist you in getting a visa invitation letter from the hospital and guide you through the process of getting the visa. Once you land in India, you may feel lost or may be misguided by fly-by-night operators. But if you are enrolled with Medex, your relationship manager will receive you at airport and your airport transfers will be absolutely free. Your relationship manager will pre-book your hotel or homestay where you are going to stay. Our expert chef will cook your home country food on demand. Our skilled interpreters will make sure that you are able to communicate freely. Not just that, your relationship manager will guide you through the complete process of getting a SIM card, exchanging currency, finding restaurants, groceries, etc. On the next day of your arrival, your relationship manager will take you to the hospital to see the doctor. Once you get the treatment plan from your doctor, your relationship manager will explain the treatment plan in detail and negotiate with the hospital on your behalf to get you the lowest cost of treatment. Medex relationship manager will be there with you throughout your stay in the hospital. Once your treatment is complete, and if you so wish, your relationship manager will assist you in finding local tours and shopping destinations. We want you to go back home with a thoroughly happy experience. Our relation with you doesn't end with your departure from India. We will stay in touch with you even after you go back to your home country. If you would need any clarification about your medicine or treatment, we will always be there for you. By now, you must be wondering how much will our services cost you? Our answer to this is absolutely nothing. Yes, you heard it right. We don't charge anything from the patients. Our fee is paid by the hospitals. In simple words, you get all these services from us absolutely free, while also saving up to 30% on hospital bill and other expenses. If you have any query or you want to know more about us, you can drop a comment below or contact us using the details shown here. Visit our website www.medex-health.com for information on treatments, doctors and hospitals in India. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page for latest updates. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.